I'm from Bangladesh. I had hip joint replacement in the year 2004 in Calcutta, and he was Dr. C.S. Dhar. From there, these 14 years I carried very well. I could walk, do everything. But since few days, before the corona started, again I came to Calcutta. Their doctor told me to replace it. I go back to my home. So then corona started, so I have left 2 years. So finally I decided when I have to replace it, I'll go to better. And I searched the doctors here over all Indian doctors. And even I searched in Thailand also. So one of his friends, he told me that you go Dr. Oberoi, he's best. I have done my these things over there. And I came over here and had a very good surgery. I'm very much happy. Everything is very much okay. And by this time, I feel I'm fully confident that I will be able to work within 1 or 2 weeks. I'm confident. I don't know what God will do. So here the treatment I made, the operation was done by Dr. Oberoi and team of doctors. They are very much cordial, very much successfully did it, and I am very happy.